In this video, I will show you how to add Urdu font in WordPress website. So firstly, search this font plugin. So firstly, you need to install this plugin. Use any font. So install and activate. Now here click on use any font. Now here click on use any font. Then click on generate free light or test API. Then verify. Now upload font. You can visit this website and you will find different Urdu font. Visit this website and find out different font. Then just upload that font. Now wait for a few seconds till this process will be complete. Now give a name for this font. Then click on upload. Now wait for a few seconds till this process will be complete. Then here click on assign font. Select your font and font and select elements to assign. In my case, I want to use in this post page and category. In my case, I want to use in this paragraph, then just click on assign font. Now visit your website, then edit, now select your font and here select, then change the size and update. And visit this post. So this way you can add this font, Urdu font in WordPress. So thanks for watching.